Pansit! Pampahaba! Ayan. Eto, mali, kompleto po ah. Kailangan ko po ng isa para po. Thank you. At syempre, meron din kayong fruit basket! Yan! Healthy! Ayan po, sir. Dito, thank you. At syempre, meron din binigay na cake! Thank you! Syempre, yan po ang kamahal. At syempre, dito po tayo sa part na to. Ayan, yan po tayo. Harap po kayo sa akin! Okay, mother, kailangan mo na
something good in everything I see. I believe in angels. When I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I have a dream, a fantasy to help me through reality, and my destination makes it worth a while, pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Okay, go ahead, ikaw. Lapitan mo ang lola.
Sana mabusog kayong lahat.
Dear Mommy, linano namin magkakapatid na uuwi sana para sa 84th birthday mo. Pero dahil sa pandemic, di mangyayari. Kaya sa SUV trunk surprise delivery, ang aming pinarating sa iyo para ipaabot ang aming pasasalamat at buong pusong pagmamahal. Hindi maubos aming pasasalamat sa iyo, Mami, sa mga pagmamahal at pagsuporta mo sa mga kailangan naming lahat. Kahit nasa tamang edad, may mga pamilya na at kahit nandito kami sa ibang bansa, binigay mo pa rin sa amin. We are praying that God will bless you a healthy years more to blow your candle. And if pandemic is over, we might join you to celebrate on your next birthday. May God bless you, Mami. Ingat lagi, and again, happy birthday. We love you, Mami. Love from your son, daughters, and daughter-in-law, and sons and grandchildren.
Ayan! At syempre! Hindi pa mo tapos, Mother! At syempre! Ayan, Mother! Sinabi lang is na! Ayan! At syempre po, ano po ang inyong mensahe po sa nagbigay ng sorpresa na mula po sa Dubai, USA, Canada, at syempre sa Cavite. At syempre, ang yung dami yung bisita. Ang yung message si Madam.
Ay na, salamat lahat sa mga anak ko, mga apo, at mga kaibigan, kamag-anak. Sakay ko ma. Tagpaot pa itibiyag ko.
Sino ti kwarating ang di mabayag message kay ni Mother? Ang malapit? Ikaw ate. Mami. Kanihan mo si
Sangit ka nga eh.
Nagsali ko rin, ikanyo timusing na.
Ano nga po? Nasigan! Message ka!
Nagsali ka.
Hindi ako naiisa. Ang wish ko po talaga sana, mahintay niyo akong graduate at magkatrabaho po. Pero bakit ito?
Ayan! At syempre si Sir Boyet!
Sige.
Hello, mamay. Happy birthday, mamay.
Thank you.
At tuyalat ka nga kadbayaw to.
Sino pa po, sir? Ang pwede? Mag-message kay Madam.
Yung mga bisita. Tayo sa pay kumata, atitag pwede pa nagbiag mo ta. Ato ti matulungan ka na kato ti barkatang pay. Ang ubing nantay. Ay, bakit umubuhay?
On behalf of Edmond Flower Shop and Parkiness, thank you po sa nagbigay ng sorpresa all the way from Canada, USA, Dubai, and Cavite. At syempre, thank you kay Sir Boyet at kay Ma'am Trizia. Ayan, ma'am, happy 84th birthday.
84.
Long live. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, 84 ha? Okay, bye!
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Stay healthy! And Polly will visit you after this COVID. We love you! Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Hello, Mami! Happy birthday! Lagi kayong mag-iingat po dyan. Yung mga kinakain nyo, huwag na masyadong karne. Dapat po more on gulay. Also, lagi kayong uminom ng maraming tubig. At yung mga gamot nyo, huwag nyo pong kakalimutan inumin. I'm praying po na this year, hopefully matapos na yung pandemic para by December makauwi kami para makapag-reunion po tayo dyan. And may God always bless you and extend your life more, and you will have more birthdays to come na magse-celebrate din po kami na inyong birthday kasama nyo, at naway may God always protect you and make you strong. We love you, Mommy, and we miss you. I hope that your birthday naging masaya kayo, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye, Mommy. God bless po.
Hello, Mami! Happy birthday from Canada with love! Ang iyong apo! Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday po.
Stay healthy, Mother! We love you!
Baby, happy birthday sabi
Happy birthday, sabi mo kay Lola. Doon, tingin doon! Okay, bye-bye, Mother! Stay healthy!
Happy birthday, Mami. Good health. Ingat kayo. Ang kayo unay nga bambanog tanon na pizza kay nga paginayon.
Hey, Mommy, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Mami! Sa pala ko mo tamalpas na si pandemic at kita-kita tayo. Makaawid kami para at sumaro na siguro ang birthday. Happy birthday! We love you and miss you. Hello, Mother! Happy birthday! Wishing you a wonderful and a happy birthday.
Hello, Mommy. More birthday to come. Stay healthy, always active and safe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday again.
Mami, happy birthday! Stay safe! Happy birthday, Mami! Stay safe always. Enjoy your party! We love you! Again, happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Mommy
Mama Remy. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Yay!
About you only by yourself, Arya.
Arya, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama Remy.
Can you sing? Arya.
They want you to sing.
Thank you.
Go, go.
Sing no, ah? No?
Yeah, go. Ready? And
Happy birthday.
louder.
Happy birthday to
Mommy Remy.
Happy birthday to you.
I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future even if you fail. 'Cause I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I have a dream, a me through reality, and my destination